In this review, we're looking at the PPLEE NOAA Weather Radio, a comprehensive emergency communication device that combines a weather radio, power bank, flashlight, and more. Whether you're preparing for severe weather or heading out on a camping trip, this radio aims to be your reliable companion. First and foremost, this radio is NOAA approved, meaning it receives real-time weather forecasts and emergency alerts from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. With 7 preset weather band channels, you can easily tune in to your local station for updates on hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, and other severe weather events. The radio also includes AM and FM bands, so you can stay informed and entertained. The reception is impressive thanks to a high-sensitivity IC chip and precision-tuned antenna. Even in remote cabins or basements, you'll get clear, static-free broadcasts. The 5-Butte stereo speaker with a neodymium magnet delivers balanced, crisp audio, and there's a headphone jack for private listening. Now, let's talk about power. This radio features a massive 12,000 mAh battery, and the manufacturer claims it's not overstated. You can listen to FM AM for about 60 hours, use the SOS alarm for 30 hours, or run the 600 lumen flashlight and lamp for 60 hours. It can also charge your phone multiple times, which is a lifesaver during power outages. Charging the radio is flexible. You have a high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel that charges 6 to 8 times faster than standard panels, a hand crank for when the sun isn't shining, and AC charging for everyday use. You can even pop in 3 AAA batteries as a backup. The build quality feels solid, and the large analog dial makes it easy for anyone, including seniors, to change stations quickly. The device is compact and portable, perfect for emergency kits or outdoor adventures. In summary, the PPLEE NOAA Weather Radio is a versatile and reliable emergency tool. Its powerful battery, multiple charging options, and clear reception make it a great investment for peace of mind. Whether you're weathering a storm or enjoying the great outdoors, this radio has you covered. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.